When working around the door window motor, make sure it cannot be operated while working. Place the remote key far enough away so the car cannot be powered. You will need to remove the front door panel to access the motor. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. You will need to remove the window motor from the regulator, red arrow. Use a T25 torque and remove the 3 screws holding the motor to the subframe regulator, indicated by the red arrows. There is a wiring clip on the top of the motor that holds the harness. Use a pick and release the clip, red arrow. You will want to transfer this to the new motor. Pull the motor off of the 3 plastic pegs that connect it to the regulator. Turn the motor over and press down on the clip and separate the wiring connection, red arrow. When reinstalling the gear teeth on the motor, red arrow must sit in the splines on the regulator. This image shows the geared teeth that must sit flush within the regulator. You may have to move the window a little up or down to get the motor to fit correctly. Installation is the reverse of removal. Torque to 3.3 Newton meters or 2 foot-pounds. To teach the end positions of the window, reinstall the door panel and start the vehicle. Pull the rocker switch until the window is fully closed. Then pull the switch again. And then in the upper position is stored. Press the rocker switch down until the window is fully open. Then press the switch down again. And turn the vehicle off and you have restored the memories. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.